Right, look my dear students, today we are looking second video light. What is light? Incident, reflected, normal, rays, what are they? Now we will look. Look here, very clearly light, symbolically I written L, capital L, don't mind. So, light on falling on surface may pass through the surface. When light falls on surface of body or surface of object, when light falls on surface of body or surface of an object, that falling light can pass or cannot pass, may pass or may not pass. When it will pass, look here. When it will pass, look like here. This is light source. When passing, how much percent light is passing through the objects? So it is a transparent object, we can call. Here, light is entering from the object to outside. This is called transmit. Look here, light entering into the object. Light entering into the object and going. So, when light can pass through the objects, we can call transparent objects. Transmits. When light going through the objects, then we will call light is transmitted from the objects. Transmits. Simple. Transparent objects. Light on falling on surface may bounce back. Not pass through the objects but bounce back. Then what should happen? Look here. Reflection. Which reflection? Reflection. Best example is plane mirror. Plane mirrors are reflecting the light. Reflecting. Light reflected. Look there. Reflection. Next. Reflection. What is reflection now? Look here. Reflection is the bouncing back of light rays. Bouncing back of light rays on striking the surface or striking the surface. When light strikes the surface of object, then it will reflect back, bounce back. That bouncing of light is called reflection. Any doubt? You just ask me. Characteristics of best reflectors. Best reflectors. Best reflectors mean what is best reflecting object? That is also important. So, silver metal is best reflector. Remember, silver metal is best reflector. So, silver metal objects are best reflectors. Look here, first one, surface should be, characteristics. Look here, surface should be best reflector, surface should be shiny, remember. Surface should be shiny and polished. Best reflector, surface should be shiny, first character. Polished, second character, and smooth, third character. Three types of characters should be in that reflectors, best reflectors. That object should be shiny, polished, and smooth, compulsory. Next. Terminology involved. Look here. Terminology involved. By terminals, what we can do? Incident ray. Terminology involves. Incident ray. What is incident ray? Look downside. This is called incident ray. Which ray is striking? Which ray is striking the surface? Is the ray that strikes the surface. Is the ray that strikes the surface. Next. point of incidence is the point at which incident ray strikes the surface. That is, this is point of incidence. Is the point that which incident ray strikes the surface. Next, reflected ray. What is reflected ray? Which ray that bounces back on striking the surface. So if it is struck, it is bounced. This bouncing ray is called reflected ray. Simple. Next, normal. What is normal? Look here. Perpendicular drawn to surface. Perpendicular to surface. Straight. Look here. This is perpendicular. Straightly I draw. This is surface. This is perpendicular line. That perpendicular line is called normal ray. Now, angle of incidence. Where is angle of incidence? Look here. Angle between incident and normal rays. Look here. Angle of incidence. Angle between incident ray and normal ray. This is the angle of incidence. And second, angle of incidence over angle of reflection. Look here. Angle between reflected ray and normal. This is the angle of reflection. Next, plane of reflection. Look here. Plane of reflection. What is that? Plane where incident, not only one. Plane where incident 1, reflected 2, normal 3 rays lies. 3 rays should lies. Plane of reflection is nothing but where 3 rays are lies. Here, incident ray there, reflected ray there, normal ray there. This is called plane of reflection. Downside also very. Look here. This is angle of incident, angle of look here. Angle of incident, angle of reflection. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is normal, and this is surface. Here one point you just remember. What is that? Angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflections. Angle of incident always equal to angle of reflection. This is keep in your mind.